Tell her, guys.
Hello guys, look at yours here. Today I saw a digger outside
Digging
here.
right outside. You come this side, this side, this side, this side, this side. You can't go close by, ne? You know you're not allowed to go close by. Don't run. No running, no running. Kom die kant. Liam, this side. You're not allowed to go close by. This side. Okay, now you're going to tell your friends what the digger is doing.
Digging up.
Is it hot in here?
Yes, it's hot.
Yes, it's hot because the sun is shining. See?
There's a boulder wheel.
We've got boulder ants.
Yes.
Let's see. The digger is digging again. It's moved around.
You're digging this place.
It's fine. There's Sia. Liam. There's lots of space for the bulldog ants to go. Lots and lots and lots and lots of space.
What they scared in here? They must
It's fine. They will go away a little bit.
But first, they must take the stairs and be to the room. That's why they're scared of that.
Is it?
Truck. That's why they have to climb up the stairs
Is it? And then?
and stay to a home.
Okay. Let's see. Do you think he's going to move again? Because he's put his stabilizers up. He's got his bucket up. Okay, come this side. We have to go. Whenever he's moving, you have to move away. Okay?
Yes. Digger, come down. Digger,
Maybe they're going to put up a carport where it is basically ground on, like a roof that they're going to put for people to sit down. Oh, the wind is blowing your hair all over. Oh, silly. See, now he's cleaning all the weeds. That is how they do it here in India. They grab a backhoe and then they just scoop all the weeds away.
no, they're just little flowers.
Those flowers are actually weeds. Weeds is plants that grow that you don't want them to grow because they just take over the whole area and then everything else dies. So all the other flowers and plants will die if they don't take it out. Come this side.
What is? But look at those flowers. Those ones are right.
No, there's no flowers. There's only like also weeds and plants and things growing there.
And it's going the wrong place.
No, he's going to shove it there in the corner. And then they're going to make compost out of it. Compost is what you use to make other plants grow. It's like food for the other plants again.
Yes.
We'll ask your sister to tell us what's compost, okay?
Yes.
And we'll make a video out of compost, okay?
Yes.
Yes.
We already made a shot for my digger from that one.
Is it?
Yes. And look at all this. That's like more cinder.
What's that? A red cylinder? Oh, there, right under the JCB, under the loader's arm.
So there's a boom.
Hey?
There's a boom on it.
Yes, that's a boom. I'm so sorry. See, I don't know these construction vehicles. You are the expert of construction vehicles. You know them all, don't you?
Yes.
Yes.
But they got to knock down those coconut trees.
No, he won't knock down the coconut trees. Because the coconut trees still have loads of coconuts in them. And they take the coconuts and they sell them. So people make money out of it. So that they can feed their families.
Yes, but which? They fell down there?
Yes?
Yes, and Rocket just gets it.
Is it? Okay, come on this side. We're going to close that side again. Come this side.
But they will take that away.
No, they won't take that away. I think they're only digging this side.
Yes.
Yes.
But look, there hasn't seen the snakes in there.
Do you think there's snakes in there?
Yes.
There might be, so we have to be careful. We have to see that there's no snakes running towards us.
Yes. Yesterday
You saw a snake yesterday?
Yes, it was behind those bushes.
Behind the bushes? Oh no! When did you see the snake?
He's black.
Was he black one? Was he big?
No, he's a bit small. But he's just
Show me with your hands how big he was.
like this big.
But that is a huge snake if it's that big.
Yes, but it won't eat us.
Won't eat us, why?
That's why it's eating rats.
The snake eats rats.
Yes, they're looking for rats.
Is it?
Yes, they have to find the rats.
Okay.
Go deep down here.
Deep down? No, the rats aren't under the ground. The rats also live in bushes.
Yes.
Wherever there's bushes, where there's just rocks lying around, the rats go and make their homes inside there.
Yes.
See, they're taking all the weeds away.
Yeah, there are so many weeds.
There's too many weeds, eh? Now at least we can go and walk them. We won't have to be scared for any snakes.
Yes. They just give sweet.
Snakes don't give you kisses. Snakes bite.
But actually, only pets just give us sweet.
Yes, only your pets can give you kisses, which is? Who's your pet? Come this side. Who's your pet?
Bolt.
Bolt?
Bolt. Puppy Bolt.
Puppy Bolt. Puppy Bolt is inside the house.
Dog.
Yes, he's a dog. Do you know what dog he is?
Yeah, then look what they're pushing.
Yes, they're pushing more and more weeds. Loads and loads of weeds.
They're pushing leaves.
Yeah, it's all dead leaves and dead trees. Loads of weeds.
You know the trees? I saw one.
You saw a tree?
Yes, it fell to my way.
Did it fall on your way?
Yes.
Oh no. And then
That's why people just
people took it away?
and look at all the dig up.
Oh no. It broke a branch of one of the trees off, which is in this. There's a school right next to the property.
No, it
So-
was actually the flowers.
There's a flowers one.
Yes,
Let's see. It looks like he's gonna dig a couple of holes again.
yes.
So he's pulling himself closer to where he wants to be, and he's lifting his one back wheel up.
I can't find the thing. That's my golden is too slow. Let's see one. Did you see that one? That was too fast.
Is it?
The ginormous and real fast.
So he's got his stabilizers down again, as well as his front bucket to stabilize them from the front. So all four wheels, or at least three of the four wheels is off the ground because the ground is uneven there where he's standing.
Yes.
To keep him a bit stable so he doesn't move around while he's digging and cleaning up there.
I'm making the spots.
And Liam is making X marks the spot here on the ground.
Yeah, that's what it
But now, Liam, the guy driving the digger won't be able to see that small cross. He won't be able to see that X.
But I need to make it bigger.
But you can't make it bigger because there's only grass around it.
Uh-huh.
And what if they don't want to dig a hole here?
Well, I made a big one.
Yes, that is quite a big one, actually. You happy now?
But this is for the digger.
Yes, it is.
I made a spot for it. That's why I made a spot. That's why we have to dig. I need to talk to people and dig this up.
Did you talk to that person and you have to come dig it up?
Yeah. No, Josh. That's why I lost my yellow spade.
Oh no.
But now we got a big trench.
I don't know how you're going to dig a trench.
I need to do like this.
How you dig?
A special one.
How you dig? Show me how you dig.
Like this.
There we go.
Like that.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna have a one.
We have to go and buy one at the stores.
No.
I can hear a plane.
Where?
I can't see it. Okay, Liam, do you think we are done now? Because I think they're going to still dig a lot. So I think we're going to say goodbye to the friends.
Goodbye.
And what else you have to tell the friends? The friends can't hear you because you have to look at them.
Subscribe.
And subscribe. And what must I do? Do you want them to leave you a comment?
No.
They shouldn't leave comments. Hey, do you want to know what your friends' favorite construction vehicles are? Okay, that's yours. And then you must ask your friends. Guys, so please comment down below what is your favorite construction vehicle. And have you seen any? And if you have, which ones have you seen before? Because Liam is now just playing in the sand. Or at least it's dried up mud because we've had rain quite a lot last week. So now he's just playing with the dry mud. So yeah, so comment down below what is your favorite construction vehicles? What have you seen? Have you seen your favorite ones? What different types have you seen? And yeah, just what videos you would like us to make next. Okay. Liam.